all students through the new weapon detection systems as fast and as efficient as possible, here are some best practices whether you're coming into school or attending an after-school event. As you walk up, hand your laptop around the detector to the administrator, then walk through. If it's green, then you're good to go. But if you set the alarm off, you may have one of these items: an umbrella, a water bottle, a binder, to name a few. While these items are okay to have in school, you may have to pass them around the detector. And if you're carrying a backpack and set the alarm off, you may have to have the administrator help you find what's setting it off. Although we have this system in place, as a student, we all know we want the safest learning environment possible. So if you see something, say something.